Alright guys, so I just want to do a quick update on where I'm at with the car, guys. I've been filming some stuff. I still haven't been posting a lot of videos. It just takes a lot of time to edit, guys, and I'm trying to get this car done. So I haven't really been editing a whole lot, guys, but this is about where I'm at on the build, guys. So I will be, putting the videos on eventually, but got the radiator support on here. It's loose, it's not tightened down yet. Got the valve covers, spark plug, the distributor in. Got the water, the power steering pump. Still got, tighten certain stuff down. But yeah, I got it on here pretty much, guys. So yeah, it's coming good, guys. So just put the fuel line and stuff on today. So I got the brakes bled, all but the rear line to the rear right. So that one is bleeding, but it was bleeding so slow, so I bled all the other ones, make sure I get the pressure up in the system. Then actually Buick Bob just left. He's been helping me with the build. He just left, but I still gotta bleed that side. I didn't feel like getting off into it today, but before he's done, we'll finish bleeding out the brakes. Hopefully that bleed out good, guys. But so I got the steering column in here, but we keep having problems with, right now with the shifter lever pieces. So he's gonna bring me some new pieces next time he come. But yeah, guys, I rebuilt this steering column myself for the first time, but I got right in here and had a problem. So I went back up to Chuck's, and Chuck rebuilt, he did it from here on up, got this piece in here. But yeah, I cut the shifter lever off here because I'm gonna put a floor shifter in here, guys. So I cut that off, really did it really nice. I did it once before. I got the videos on how I did that too, guys. They'll be coming eventually, but yeah, so yeah, I got this, it's coming along pretty good, guys. So Bob put some of this stuff on now. Should have been polished, but I want to get the car done. I'll pull it back down next winter or something and polish it. But we got the gas tank on there. I had to actually body work this gas tank, guys, because somebody had bottomed out on the corners and stuff like that. And we got the rear end, sealed today. So, all those bolts are plated and everything, guys. And yeah, I'm plating everything. I got the plating system working good again. So yeah, we hitting it kind of hard here, guys. So it's coming good. I'm hoping I got to get the radiator painted up. I'm gonna do that this week. And once I get the radiator put in there, then and get this column finally situated, she'll be ready to fire up, guys. But she's coming along pretty good, guys. So this is where I'm at on the build right now. So I just wanted to come in and give you a quick update, guys. I want to get the last door on there, but I want to get that column in, make sure we got a lot of good working room. So I got everything else painted, the wheel wells, everything is painted up. So once I get this baby fired up, I think we got one more bolt. I might have put that last body mount on there today too, guys. But yeah, we got everything buttoned up pretty good. Got the starter on there today. So, yeah, got the starter on there, guys. Yes, sir. I still got to put holes on here. Got this plated up that holds the hose on place. Got the holes here, but we think it's a little bit too tight. So I still got enough holes. I ordered enough that I'm gonna cut another piece and put it on here. But I think that hose is up at the vault. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to come in and just show you where I was at with the build, guys. So it's coming along pretty good, guys. Yep, it's custom, guys, custom. All right, all things Buick. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, disc brakes. Yes, sir. All things Buick, guys. All right.